Hey, this is Awais with OpenTrader, and this is our latest market outlook video being shot midday, Monday, September 24th. So, in our last video, we were talking about the responsive buying from 1443 area, and our upside targets were 56.75, 59.75, and 62 quarter, the naked VPOC. 62 quarter was hit in the overnight session, the blowback session on Friday, and we attracted responsive sellers over there. It was options expiration, quadruple witching, light volume day, and we basically just pulled back all day on Friday, and then in the overnight session, Sunday night heading into Monday morning. We got responsive buyers at 1444.75, which is the overnight low for the day, and a push back into this composite value area for this range. So the ideas going forward at this point, we're going to be keeping a close eye on 49.5 to 51 quarter, right? So we're looking at basically this range low over here, 49.5. We're looking at the 49.75, which is the value area low of this current range after the breakout. And we want to see whether price gets back above and holds above value, within value, or whether we start rejecting this area and heading lower. A failure at 49.5 to 51 quarter would indicate that we could get a retest of the breakout that we saw on September 13th, right? So if we start rejecting and failing over here at 49.75, then there's a chance that this could fail and come all the way down to 34 quarter for a breakout retest. And then we would expect responsive buyers active at that level, and any push through that, if we get to 1430, we'll expect responsive buyers active at that level as well. But the bigger picture idea here is going to be whether this 49.5 to 51 quarter gets accepted or rejected, right? If we fail, we head lower. If we start accepting value and building value here, then those upper levels that we have at 1456.75, 1459.75, and then 62 quarter, and then the recent highs around 67 to 68 would start coming into play. But really over the next day or two, the key is going to be this 49.5 to 51 quarter. Now we can see that intraday, we opened below value on Monday, got responsive buying back into the gap fill from Friday, and then we got responsive sellers active over there for a rotation lower to the day session VPOC, and then we got some responsive buying over there on the first test. So that's what's happening on intraday basis. But as far as the outlook for the next few days, we're really just going to be using 49.5 to 51 quarter to judge kind of the health of this breakout, right? If we continue holding below, then we're going to be looking for lower prices. If we start kind of rotating back into it and holding above it, then we'll start looking for a test of 56.75, followed by the value area high, and then we'll need to see some initiative buying to take us out of this range. Now today is a light on the economic calendar. We didn't really have any major economic releases this morning, and so we don't really have any catalyst to drive price out of this range. But heading into tomorrow, we have consumer confidence out at 10 a.m. Eastern. Wednesday, we have new home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern. So over the next couple of days, we do have a couple of economic reports that could serve as a catalyst to drive price away from this range. So those are the things we're looking at. Please use the comments to share your own ideas. Would like to know how you view the market. Where do you see this going? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Just share your insights, and we'll let you know what we think of it, and we can get a little bit of back and forth discussion going, and just share our views, right? I mean, we're all looking at the same charts, but every one of us has a different view on the market, kind of a different take on the market. And it's always interesting to see how other people are viewing the market. So please share your insights. We'd love to get your feedback. And aside from that, we'll see you in the next Outlook video on Wednesday. Take care.